Hey everyone, Mike Wood here from ModelTreeStore.com. Today we're going to do another tutorial, and I'm going to go in and do a little bit of testing, a little experimenting to try something new. So stick around, let's see how it works. Well, thanks for sticking around for this little tutorial. As you might have noticed, I like to experiment. So ultimately, I'm still working on this big tree, but I want to test a few different options, a few different things that might make that a little smoother. And so I'm going to be testing out on a smaller piece here. And so let's jump into it, and I'll show you what I've got going on. So we're going to start first by just trimming up a lot of these little pieces off of here and get this tree where I want it. Okay, I've cleared a lot of that off and pulled off some of those dry sagebrush leaves. Sometimes I like the idea of leaving those on there for a little bit more for the leaf material to grab onto, but I'm going to remove some of those this time. And I've noticed in the past I've been a little bit shy about cutting away branch material because I want the branches in there, but I also don't want so many branches that I can't make things look good and get in and work on it. So I've decided to be a little more aggressive in taking some of that away. There's still plenty left. So my idea here is I'm thinking of different ways to put the foliage on this and to fill it out. And I think what I am going to do, what I've decided I'm going to test here is I'm going to use a little bit of this sawdust, and this is bigger stuff, and what I'm going to do is just spray the armature and then dip it straight into this, and then after I've done that, put the greenery on. So we'll put this where it might be a little easier to access in a smaller dish, and we'll get going. Reason I'm doing this on a different tree, I'm making a new tree here because I don't want to just do the test on my big armature that I'm building out until I know that it will work well, because I really want that one to look good. So here we go. Alright, I've got a generous amount of paint and hairspray on here. And I just want to see if we can get this stuff to adhere. And all I'm trying to do with this is create a little more full look on that tree. So I think that it is doing something. I'm actually going to try applying some Mod Podge, go that route a little bit here. I've got some hobby tack glue on order, so I'll be trying that pretty soon here as well. But since it's not here yet, I'll use what I have. If you haven't noticed yet, I'm big on testing things and trying things out, and I'm not too concerned if it doesn't work out. I just really like to try different things, experiment. I like that better than the spray for this bigger stuff. Try different things. Spray will work real well for the small stuff, but when it comes to putting on the bigger pieces, something like this seems to work real well. All right, now we'll go give that another spray and start adding some green. Now, what I want to do is see if I can declutter some of these areas.